From this point forward, whenever you start working with someone new, have them complete this simple but powerful exercise. And if they refuse to do it, don't invest your time, because someone who won't follow basic direction will struggle to achieve real success. Here's what you ask them to do. Take a blank sheet of paper and begin by writing down their current goals. Then, on that same page, list 10 goals they want to achieve in the next 12 months, written in the present tense, as if they already happened. For example, I earn, I achieve, I weigh, I drive, I own. Once the list is complete, tell them to read it and ask themselves, if I could accomplish only one of these goals within the next 24 hours, like waving a magic wand, which goal would create the biggest positive change in my life? The answer usually becomes obvious. Circle that one goal. Now transfer that single most important goal to a fresh page and follow these 7 steps. 1. Write it down clearly. 2. Choose a deadline. 3. List every action required to achieve it. 4. Organize those actions into a step-by-step plan. 5. Take action immediately. 6. Do something, no matter how small, every single day. If you stay consistent with this process, the only thing that can stop you is you.